see here. What is mindfulness meditation? Is it a meditation? Is mindfulness something else? How do these interact? What's the deal here? Let's break it down a little bit. So mindfulness is a quality of mind. It's a mental attribute. It's a style of attention. It's incredibly simple. Basically, we're doing it all the time. We all know how to be mindful. So how is that different than practicing meditation? Basically, we can be mindful and we can do anything. We can walk mindfully, we can do the dishes mindfully, we can fold laundry mindfully, we can walk the dog mindfully, we can communicate mindfully, we can have a conversation that is mindful. That is all great, that is all a wonderful way to practice, especially when we're busy, especially when we have a lot going on in our lives. And when we're doing that, basically all we're doing is one thing. We're doing one thing fully. And that's why it can be a very powerful practice in the field of communication. If you don't feel like you have enough time to practice, just have mindful conversations with people where you're just listening. You put your phone down, you're giving them your full and undivided attention. Mindfulness is a very relational practice that way. It's actually something easy to do around other people, and people will really appreciate your mindfulness practice when you do that. That is different than practicing mindful meditation. So when we're practicing mindfulness as a meditation, we are scaling back even. We're doing one thing fully and we're making it more and more simple, and we're doing less and less and less. And this is where mindfulness meditation becomes almost like a boot camp. It becomes a gym for our minds, because we're really just training this quality of attention that is mindfulness. So doing one thing, doing it fully, paying attention in a way that's non-judgmental, that's open, that's kind, mind, body, heart, all in one place, all coming together to do nothing, basically. So that's when we sit, we walk, we lie down, we stand, we commit to a posture, we commit to an amount of time, and we're just mindful. That's it. So that's mindfulness as a